lesson on waves. We're going to use a simulation that we looked at yesterday briefly, but I want to review what we talked about yesterday. For example, we talked about what's the high point of the wave called? Seth?
Crest.
Good, good. It's called the crest of the wave. And as we can see, the crest of the wave looks like it's hitting just about there. What do we call the low part of the wave, the lowest point of the wave? Leanie? The trough or the trough. Good, good. So we also talked about energy. We talked about that energy is motion. In motion, you're related to frequency. So notice, follow these directions. They're going to ask you to play with this simulation. They're going to ask you to hit every button and figure out what it does before you actually do the data collection of these. Okay? All right, great. Take it away. If you guys have any questions on how something works or how to speed something up or slow it down, you can either use the stylus or you can use your finger, either one. Oh, that's great, Amelia. That's great. That's exactly what you want to do. You want to just go crazy with it, okay? To see which of those buttons does what. Good. You like it? Yeah. Yeah, it's a cool simulation. Make sure also, guys, because you're going to need this later on, make sure that you put up the rulers and the timer and the reference line. You're going to probably need that at some point too, so you can see what they do. You can help each other out if you want. You can talk to one another with this too. If you get lost, just hit reset and start all over again. Remember, there's a stylus. If you want to use the stylus, you can use your finger. You like this set, huh?
I'm trying to get it as bouncy as possible.
Trying to get it as bouncy as possible?
Me too.
Oh, yeah. Cool. Very cool. Seth, do you still have that up there?
Yep.
Could you just hold it above? I'm going to swing it from Amelia over to you now.
That is cool.
Wait, let me zoom in over your shoulder.
Oh, wow.
I just want to stay on you for a second. All right, and how did you get that, Seth?
I made it really high frequency and really high tension.
So you made it really high frequency and really high tension. Cool. Cool. And just did that by experimenting?
Yep.
Cool. Thank you. Yeah. So we're just at the play part here, and we haven't gotten to the specific data collection. That's described a little bit later in that page. Rohi, how do you like this?
It's fun.
It's fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you notice how you can change characteristics of the waves
Yeah.
pretty easily, but also how you can measure them? Did you pull out the ruler yet?
No.
Not yet? Okay. Cool.
Cool.
Has anybody started the lab inquiry yet? Okay, if you haven't yet, why don't you start that where it says to start the lab inquiry, first set up for the first set of investigations. We'll look at amplitude if you would. Let's start going there now. So let's start doing that. Amelia, you just started that?
Yes.
Okay, good. I'm just going to. Amelia, are the directions fairly easy to follow?
Yes.
Yep, okay, thanks. Ken, how you doing? Do you understand it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, there's a data table that we're going to ask you to fill out as you go through that inquiry. So you're bringing the ruler down and over, Amelia, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so you can take better measurements. Seth, have you started the inquiry? Okay, how's it going so far?
Going okay.
Okay.
Easier in slow motion.
It's a little hard to read that last measurement where it kicks in.